So next is exploitation of command injection, like how we can find out the command injection and how we can exploit those. So let's see, sometimes it's very easy, but sometimes it's very difficult, because see, most of the time we don't know like where we can run the command. So for that, like you can like do the trial and error. Let's try to execute the command, then try to see the command. Okay, so this is a web application, and let's see how we can check out. So always, like I already told you, like always browse the web application and try to see like what is the thing there. Like say, let's say I'm browsing this and performing the actions. Like there is only one facility. See, so we can find out, we can check like know like okay, there is a command injection, but normal website we don't know. So you need to check out every endpoint which is looks like this. Okay, so we get this. Okay, let's capture this request and send this request to the repeater. See, this is the repeater. Let's send this request. So see, we are supplying the product ID and store ID, and we are getting the data. So this is working as the same thing. In the back end, let's say they are using a Python 3 SSTI, let's say, and they are waiting for something. Like let's say they are waiting for the ID. Let's see, this is not the SSTI map app, but let's say they are using the something like this, and they are waiting for something like, okay, what user is supplying. So I supplied store ID 1. So this goes into the back end, and let's say -h, like this is, and we will get the result. Same thing, and this is also same thing. Like we send the one, and in the back end they run this command. They run this command, and we will get the data here. And let's say we change this to 2. See, we are getting the data different. So this is going on a command. So we can add our command. How we can add? Like as we usually we did this. See, let's say they are using the same thing, and we can add our command like this, ls, like just we did previously. So let's try this. So this is very simple example. Just I am adding ls and send this, and see, we are getting the data or not. See, we are getting the ls. So let's try another pwd. See, we are getting the pwd. Okay, and let's say we want to, who am I? See, we are getting the who am I. So we can run the command by this. So what happens, sometimes this semicolon don't work, so we can use the pipe. But in pipe we already see, like we don't see this result, we only see the who am I result. And if you want to check here, like I will show you. Like if I use the pipe, see, only this command will work, this won't. We will get the output of only this. We are not getting the output of this. So same here. Same here. We are getting the command of who am I, not the, in the previous we are getting the like first store ID result, then we will get this. And we can also use the double of this ampersand to send this. See, but in this situation this is not working, so we can use double ampersand. I see. So we need to do the trial and error. Like we don't know like which will work, but we need to do like one by one. Okay, so we can use the double pipe also. See, this is also not working. So what are working? Single pipe and semicolon. Okay, so we can run the command, and we can perform like many things. Like if you want to see, let's say cat tc password. See, we are getting the cat tc password, and we can also get the reverse shell by using this. You can also get the reverse shell. So this is basically full system compromise. So this is a P1 bug, and you will get the very high bounty. But see, you need to do the hard work to find this, because there is many like testing. Like you need to testing everything one by one, one by one, one by one. Okay, copy, paste it there. So what happens sometimes? See, in this situation, we are getting the output. So we can know, like we can get the output and we can find out, okay, command is executing, but sometimes we are not getting the output. Okay, okay, we didn't access the lab. Let's access the lab first. So what happened? Like, see, we are not getting the output. Like we are just submit the data and nothing. So we can try the blind SQL, blind OS command injection there. Okay. So what kind of things we can try? We can try the time delay techniques, and we can try the other, like NS lookup or other things blind. One is the time delay and other is blind. Okay. So in time delay, what we can perform? So this is about the time delay. So this is another technique. Like if we are not getting the output, that time we can try the. So there is a thing. There is nothing. There is a submit. Let's say submit something and capture the request. See, this is very easy. Like things like in the labs, like I already know like where is the bug. But on live website, you need to check out like every possible parameter. You need to check here, here, because we don't know like what's happening in the backend. Okay, so like see in the live lab, like we don't have enough time. So because of that, I'm just showing you the bug. Okay, what is the bug and how we can exploit. So in this lab, this is the thing, like going into the backend for a command, like this is going here. So we can try the bug there. So what in this situation, what happened? Let's see. We are submitting something. We are not getting the, and let's say if I try ls there, then it's just see couldn't save. Means like see this is not a email. Let's say we will try like okay, just pipe it. See, couldn't save or internal error. So we don't know like our command is like even our command is bugged, but we don't know like it's bugged or not in the backend. Maybe our command is bugged, but see we are not getting the result. Because of that, we cannot find out. So we can find out these kind of bugs by the time delay techniques, which is very easy. Just semicolon and let's type the sleep and 10. So for like see sleep like see how commands are working in there. Like if I want to use the sleep command, sleep, and after we need to give the space like sleep and 10, and same thing we need to do here, sleep and then space. But we are using the space, but we cannot use space. So you can use the like %20, or you can use the plus sign, or if you want to encode it, or you can also encode it. How you can encode it? Just right click and convert selection URL encode. After that, we can send it. See, this is not working. What happened? Even see, we are sending this data. Like see, this is the data which is going in the backend. So what happened because of that? Like I will show you. This is giving an error because of this. Let's say -h, and let's say I use this. See, this is gibberish. This is like very thing. So this command don't understand. Like after sleep, what I can use like 10 ampersand like anything. So what we can do, we can add our a separator there by using the pipe. So what happen? This command is different up to there, and this command is different, and after that, this is different. So first this will run up to here, then this will run, then this. Okay, I will show you. Okay, this is giving an error here. Okay, because of this encoding decoding. So let's use something here. See what happened. First -h is worked and we are getting the usage section. Okay. After that, see, sleep 10 plus. Okay, 10 plus we cannot use here because this is not a URL encoding. So see, first our -h command is worked, then after that this slept for 10 seconds, and after that this will execute and this will give an error. Why? Because then this is not a command. So first this will execute, then this will execute, and this will. So see, this is waiting for the 10 second. And after that, see, SDF is not a command. So same things are here. We need to separate this by using the pipe, and because of that, up to there this is different and this is different. And let's send this like is wait or 10 second or not. See, application is waiting for the 10 seconds. See, in the other last time what happened, we are getting the response very fast. Now this is waiting. See, and if you want to see like when this is not worked, see, we are getting the response very fast, and when our command is worked, then this will wait for the 10 second. Means there is a command injection by time delay technique. How we can exploit these things, like we will learn in the next section. So